What if mountains of plastic waste could become valuable products again? Let's step inside the recycling revolution.
The journey begins with sorting the collected plastic.
Advanced sensors instantly separate plastics by type and color. Manual inspection ensures only usable plastic continues forward. Next, the bottles move into powerful industrial washing systems.
High-pressure cleaning removes dirt, labels, and residue.
After washing, the plastic is carefully dried for processing. Massive shredders break bottles into tiny plastic flakes. These flakes are the raw material for new products. These flakes are the raw material for new products. Special separators remove any remaining contaminants. The clean flakes are melted at controlled temperatures. Molten plastic is shaped using precision extrusion systems.
The melted plastic transforms into strong plastic fibers.
Fibers are collected into giant rolls for manufacturing.
Quality checks ensure strength, purity, and durability.
Recycled fibers are woven into reusable material sheets.
These sheets are turned into eco-friendly packaging products.
Some plastic is molded into brand new containers. Pellets are prepared for industries around the world. Finished materials are packed for global distribution. Recycled plastic now begins its second life. Waste, once polluting the planet, becomes valuable resources.
Waste, once polluting the planet, becomes valuable resources.
Technology is transforming recycling into a powerful industry.
Recycling today builds a cleaner world for tomorrow.